What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,077, so relatively the same compared to yesterday's price. We have taken a few dips over the past few days. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this trading in this consolidated narrow-like trading pattern. It is very good to see this particular form of pattern across all markets, including Bitcoin and crypto specifically. This just gives us more of a base on what the price can do next. We can't absolutely predict what the price can do next. We can never do that, but we can always take our very educated guess and see what the price can do in the near future. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 4 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 5 touch points. As you can see within the chart, I've drawn with the green marker my example or my prediction on what the price can do next. Like I've stated, the price may not go like that exactly. That is just my educated opinion based off what the candlesticks have done previously. As you can see on the top trend line, we have that top orange arrow. That's just an indicator that we could break that top trend line and trade within. We could break that top trend line and move up in price. We could move up in price, but it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act and the Middle Eastern conflict. We could also break that bottom trend line as indicated with that orange arrow, and we could move in the downward position. But again, it just depends on the economics and the conditions of the greater macro world of news and stuff like that, and transition into technology, things of that nature. All that plays a role in what Bitcoin does next. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading at $62,913, so relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this ascending like channel. This channel typically, or this pattern, should I say, predominantly means it's a more bullish outlook for the future near term for Bitcoin, particularly on the 4 hour chart. In my opinion, or should I say in general, patterns and chart patterns aren't an absolute indicator of what the price can actually do next. It gives us a great idea, but just because we see an ascending channel, that doesn't necessarily mean we can see a more bullish outcome. We could see it drop in a more bearish way. Just to give you guys a heads up. As you can see on the 1 hour, or on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points. In my particular opinion, as seen drawn with the green marker within the channel, that was just my prediction. Obviously, it may not go that way. And as seen with the orange arrows, those are just both indicators of the price. We could potentially break that top trend line, or we could potentially break that bottom trend line, just given the circumstances of the broader economics as a whole. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you use any other tools, indicators, or pattern systems of any kind to conduct your technical analysis? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.